welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley from Haley. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these salt dough ornaments. They're so cute and so fun and easy to make. What you're going to need today is your salt dough, which I will show you how to make, which you're going to need water, flour, and salt. And you're going to need a baking sheet, and you can spray it with something. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then you're going to need a rolling pin to flatten it out so it'll look like this. And then you need some cookie cutters, your ribbon, a straw, a spoon, which is in the flour right now, and a bowl. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is take your salt dough, which I have mine here, and I'm going to show you how to make it really quick. Well, I'm not going to show you, I'm going to tell you how to make it. You're going to take your flour and put it in the bowl as much as you need. Then do half of what you have of salt, and then you're going to do a little bit, add a little bit of water at a time to get it to thicken up like this, and stir it, and then keep doing that until it gets to the consistency you want. Then roll it out with the rolling pin so it looks like this. Then you're going to take your cookie cutter, which I have mine. I have a Christmas tree today. And you want to get it here. I'm going to get there. And then peel the excess away. Make sure you get it. Mine is really stretchy and rubbery. That's better. So then you take this and just rub it off, or get it off. I mean, not rub it off, but just get it off. Let's try to get as much as you can out. All right. Then you have your Christmas tree. My mom is spraying the pan, if you guys didn't know what that was. So I'm gonna do this again because mine didn't turn out great, but I'm gonna do it again so I can show you guys too. And just peel it off. It'll peel really easy on some parts, and some parts it won't. So you might just have to like get in the little creases and get it off. Then lift it up, and you can try and get the stuff off. Oh, and you're going to need a straw if I haven't already said that. And yeah. So then you are going to put a hole in it wherever you want, so you can put your ribbon through. I'm using green ribbon today. And make sure it's a good hole. And that can go. It goes all the way. And there. Make it good. Just take your straw in the same place and just rub it around a little bit. Alright, so then you have this. And I gotta try and get it off my camera because I'm kind of stuck to it. Alright, so then, once you are done with that, it'll get bigger a little bit. You're going to put it on your baking sheet that has already been sprayed. You're going to space that out. And then you're going to put it in your oven. Well, you're going to preheat it to 350 and wait until it warms up. And then put it in there for 10 minutes, or put it in there for 10 minutes, see how you guys like it. And then when you are done, if it needs more, just keep your oven on and then put it back in there when you need it to get back on. And I used a straw, or no, a spoon, I think, to get it off of the baking sheet when it's done baking. So you guys can do that. And then you thread the ribbon through the hole that you have. And when you are done, it will look like this. And the ribbon will just be through, and then you'll tie the knot at the top. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that like button. And always remember to hit that notification bell so you always know when I post a new video. And comment down below what your favorite holiday is, and if you guys made these. Bye guys!